In this video, I am going to show you how to log in to VSys Live. First, pull up the email with the subject, How to Log in to VSys Live, so we can go down the list of instructions. Once you have the email pulled up, let's go ahead and go to the first step, which is going to the website. And you're going to select this link right here. It should pull up in your web browser as shown over here. And we are going to focus on the existing volunteers box over here on the right-hand side. The next step is to enter your user ID. Your user ID is going to be your email address. For training purposes, I'm going to enter in my information. The next step is to enter your password. I reset your password to the word password, all lowercase. So when you enter in your password, make sure your caps lock is not on, and enter the word password, all lowercase. Next, select the green login icon right here. And this is the next page. It will come up. Depending on your web browser will depend on if you get this error message, which go ahead and click on OK. And we have made it so when you log into VSys Live, you're going to reset your password because we want to make sure we do not have access to your new updated password. So you're going to enter in your current password, which is going to be that word password, all lowercase. So go ahead and enter the word password. Next, you're going to enter your new password, which is unique to you. So I'm going to enter in something other than the word password because we cannot use the same password as we had in the past. And you're going to enter the same password down here so it matches your new password that you just entered. Once you've entered that in, you're going to select the submit box right here. And you should receive your settings were successfully changed box. And then you would select OK. Now, if you entered in a password that does not work or didn't match, you would receive an error box here and it would have you redo those steps right there. So hopefully you get this blue box and you select OK. This will take you to your home page in VSys Live. Now, I know many of you are ready to volunteer, so if you would like to look and see what upcoming opportunities are available, you are going to go to the Find header up here, and a drop-down menu comes in play. You can either select Opportunities List or Opportunities Calendar, and from there, just follow the steps on how to sign up for a shift. Again, this video is to show you how to log in to VSys Live. Thank you.